This is a 2018 Starcraft 221 Starstep Entertainer. It's got the platform on the front. The reason they call it an entertainer is because as you come down this seat side, it has a sink with a little storage right there. Nice big seating in the back. Has the marine mat for the flooring. Nice ski locker. Flip up bolster, of course, on the bucket seat. Added a hummingbird trim gauge to the boat. It's got a RGB light so you can change the interior light patterns from red, green, blue. A little gate to keep dogs and kids in the boat. And it of course has the extended swim platform. Comes with a trailer. Very nice boat.